Hello, how are you? This is Els Community from Bemis Crafty Corner, and today I have a little pocket thing for you. Isn't it cute? Yes. So it's a little pocket thing that you can put in your journal, and you've got one little tag here in the front, and a full-size journaling card on the side that goes in there. Boop. And then you have a little journaling card over here. And when you put this in, you can glue it on 3 sides and have another tag up here if you want. Entirely up to you. But I'm going to show you how to do this, and here's the best thing. It goes on either side. You can do this either way. So if you want to put this on the outside of a right-handed page, you could still have this come out and still use all of this. But if you wanted to do it the other way, you could do it the other way too. So I'm going to show you how to do it both ways. Okay? I'm going to get supplies. I'll be right back. All right, too easy. You want a sheet of 8.5 by 11, which you can get 2 of these out of that. You want some paper to do your decorating, a corner rounder, some adhesive, some scissors to do a little trimming, a scoreboard, and a trimmer. That's it. This is an easy one. All right. So let's start with cutting our paper. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the paper, we're going to put it in our cutter on the 11-inch side, and we're going to cut a piece that is 4.5. Remember I said you could get 2? 4.5. And this piece, we're going to use that as well. So we're going to use the whole sheet of paper. Okay? Alright, so first things first. We're going to go ahead and put this in the scoreboard. And we're going to score this at 2.5. And then we're going to score it again at 5. Okay? We'll do the other one since we're here. 2.5 and at 5. That's it for scoring. We can get rid of the scoreboard. Alright. So we're just going to mount and fold this just like that. Now here's the thing, ready? Look, that's one for the right-hand side, and that one's for the left-hand side. Wow. That's all it takes, okay? I'm going to get my bone folder, and I'm going to crease these, burnish these creases. Just like that. Now, I do have one more piece that I need to cut, and that's this piece that goes right here for the little pocket. Here's the thing. This is already as big as you need it to be. So you just need to cut it at 2.5 and just back it off just a little bit. You want it just shy of 2.5. Okay? Or you can cut it to 2.5 and shave a piece off. You could do it this way if you're more comfortable. Just go to 2.5, cut it, and then just shave off a piece. Entirely up to you. Okay? Alright. Alright. So now I have my 2 pieces that are 2.5. And these are my little pockets that go on the front. So now I just have to cut my mats, okay? So I'm going to get this cleared up real quick, and then I'll be right back and we'll cut some mats. So we need 4 mats. You need one for in here, one for here, one for the pocket, and you need a little piece here. And you don't need this one. This one is not necessary, but you can cut it if you want to, okay? So I'm going to do it without that. So let me show you. So the first thing you want is one for the back here. So that one's going to be 4.25 by 2.25, I think. 4.25 by 2.25. So I'm going to set this at 2.25, and then I'll cut it down to 4.25. And that is my piece. that goes right there, and then when this comes up, it's plenty. Now we're going to cut this one, which again is 4 1/4 by 2 1/4. And I think we'll cut that out of this. So I'm, according to direction of the paper, I'm going to have it go up and down. 2 1/4, 4 1/4. All right. So this is my piece that's going to go right here. And then I have to do the little pocket. And the little pocket is 1 3/4 by 2 1/4. So 2 1/4. 1 3/4. Okay. Let me move this. I'm going to clean this up. I'll be back. We'll put the whole thing together. Okay? I'll be right back. Okay, so we're all cut out and ready to, assemble. So, pretty easy peasy. The first thing I'm going to do is put this one on, the little pocket in the front. Now, all the measurements, as always, will be in the description box below. And I've cut this so that you have like that 1/8 of an inch. You don't have to use the 1/8 of an inch if you want to cut it smaller or cut it exact. It's entirely up to you. If you're going to poke a hole, this is a good point to do that. Obviously, you don't need it. It's not like it's a very deep pocket, but, aesthetically, some people like that look. If you want to ink, you can ink. I did not do this to ink, but you could if you wanted to. Now we're doing this one for a left open. Okay. So this piece is going to go right here on our flap. Now you notice it doesn't go all the way to the fold, but it doesn't have to. It just has to be under here, okay? So we have that down. And then this one is going to open to the left, so we're going to put our next piece right here. Now this is sort of directional, but the writing goes in every direction. So I'm just going to pick the way that I like it. I think it's going to be like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue this one down. I kind of like this better. Okay. Let me look. Decisions. That way or that way. I like this. Okay, we're going to do it this way for now. All right, so glue on this one. We're committed now. Okay, I'm going to put this one down. And then we're going to do our finger nip up here. And what I do is I place the edge of my circle punch right on the edge there, because I'm using the square EK Success one. So just put it right on the edge, pop it out, and it brings it down about a ½ inch. All right, so now I'm going to glue the inside of this pocket down. This is the big pocket. Okay. Then I'm going to glue down this part. Then I'm going to glue on my little pocket. Now, if I put this on and it's a little wide because, you know, maybe my scoring was a little off, I can just trim. You know, that's what the scissors are for. Down here and over here. Okay. And then I have this little tag, and this is from the same pad. So I'm just going to round the corners on this, and let's add a little bit of string. Put that one in the little front pocket. And then put this one in here. I like that. And these are Project Life cards. I just happen to have a lot of them. And then I'm going to put this one in here, but here's the thing. This one has to be smaller, because it's about ½ inch too deep for the pocket. So all I do is cut the ½ inch off. I'm going to cover the back, so no big loss. And then this one should slide right in here. Right there, just like that. Okay? So, I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the original. This is the demo that I had to show you guys. You know, we've got a tag over here and a tag here. Little tag in the top here. And this is a left, you know, right-handed, so you pull, this would go on the right-hand side of a page. And then this is the one that we did, and again, it's a right-handed, it would go on the right-hand side of the page. And this is just the other one that I made out of this piece, and again, it's a right-handed one. But I did do a left. So this one has the tuck pocket, the hidden pocket on the left, right here, and then your regular pocket here, and your little tag in the middle. The only thing that makes it left or right is where you punch this. Okay? So if you take this one and you turn it around, you'll just see that I punched this one here and that one there. That's the only thing that changes it. So if you want it on the left, you just make sure that your main pocket is on the right and you punch it at the top, and that makes it a left. If you don't punch it, then it's where this goes. Okay? So whichever direction you put this pocket on. So put the pocket on it, the little pocket, and then punch away. Okay? that's it. That's all I have for you today, guys. I hope that you try this little pocket project out and that you use it, and that, you know, maybe you share one with me in my group. That's it. That's all I have for you. Listen, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that red button for me and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends. Then your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends. And our friends can get to be friends. And before you know it, we have a giant crafting community. I go live on Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Sundays at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's 11, 12, and 1 across the country. 8 o'clock over in Hawaii. I post videos on Mondays and Wednesdays, and in 2022 I have two things going on. One is my free classes. On Saturdays I will release a video in a series, and that video will walk you through a segment of a project. Then I will go live that afternoon and answer any questions that you may have about what was going on in the video. And my 12 of 22 journal challenge, that is a single signature journal, which I will link the video to in the description box below. But I do invite everyone to participate. It's really fun. We've got a great group of ladies participating so far, and I hope to have many, many, many more participating throughout the year. Until the next time, stay safe. Bye-bye.